say you're with this character and someone catcalls you, what would they do? This character just starts barking at the person like a dog, like, get away. This person's about to cross the street and throw hands at the person who catcalled you. Ooh, Dobby. This person doesn't really know how to handle it, so they grab your hand and walk away really fast. Like they can't say, oh, wait, you know what, actually, he's so cute. This person goes, no, sir, and catcalls them right back, like, how you like that? Oh, she would. This is the person who's catcalling you as you're trying to walk with the other person. I mean, I wouldn't be mad.